Hey guys, this is Fundo on Wanchopagama. Tonight on Uzalo, the Shoboto's business account is exploded after the young men take Madlala to kidnap her, and it seems like they want more money of Madlala, and they want the wig of Madlala, and it seems like Madlala become disappointed and shocked when he see that they take the money on the card. While Matongwe thinks that Madlala buy the expensive things with the Shoboto's card, and Matongwe wants to deduct on the salary of Madlala, while Lily make a U-turn and it is end pain for both parties when Lily changed her mind to join the group of Commissioner Stolle. Mtambisi found a new friend and admires a well-organizing event. And it seems like Mtambisi and Kapsile does not want the cameraman to take photos of them. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.